Hello friends, today we've got an unboxing slash haul slash review, and I don't know how much of this, I'm reviewing a couple months of my mani box for Beautometry. I don't know how much of this is my mani box and how much of this is other things for me to review, because this kind of looks like it says my mani box. Let me tell you why this is all I've got of the package, and this will tell you how amazing Beautometry packaged their stuff. There were huge thunderstorms last night in St. Louis, and I was completely unaware that I had received a package. I'd actually received two, but one was from Beautometry on Sunday, since I normally don't get things on Sundays. So lo and behold, my roommate goes out to go to work this morning and brings in a completely doused cardboard package from Beautometry, and I was so sad, and I'm like, oh no, what, something was ruined inside. Everything inside, I peeled the package apart literally with my fingers. It was so wet. I just pulled the sides up and it just came away, and everything in there was dry and whole and perfect. And it was entirely because of the way that they packed everything. So immediately I have a great sense of gratitude to them for being amazing. So the first thing, before I realized what was going on with this package, I started to open, because red is my favorite color, right? So I see red bags and I go, that's for me. So we have Art as Nails. And I bet I know what this is. So I guess what I'm reviewing first looks like it's April's My Mani box. So I think I got two at once. So I'm gonna put this stuff aside. No, why not? I'll open this first. So we have it says April My Mani box, April. And it looks like it's an exclusive, maybe, Art as Nails color, Pizzazz. And that, let me swatch that. Looks beautiful already. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Once that dries, that for you, I'll top coat it to see how that brings out the hollow, because it looks like a hollow. It is very sparkly. There you go. That is lovely. All right, I'm already a big fan of the little bags. I don't know quite what I'm going to do with them, but I like them a lot. Let's see what this. Oh, wow. Let me get rid of this first. Everything looks so nice. I love it. I am so 5. I love it when bubble wrap pops. Oh, wow. Foaming hand scrub from the UK. Soap Dodger. Yep. Those are all things I can use. Does contain raspberry seeds, which I think is fabulous. Let's see. Ooh. Definitely smells like fruit. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's see, I've got little fibers everywhere. So I'm pretty sure these are things from, I'll have to look up what's going on before I post it. But I am opening these things first because I'm saving the best for last, and the best is going to be, I'm really excited to open a box. So let's see what this is. We have some fun nail additives here. These guys are pink iridescent. And these are gold. You can have a lot of fun with these. I'm going to save my nails and open this like this. It's the key to good nails, from what I understand, is understanding that your nails are not tools. They are the sparkles. Ooh. Alright, so Festive Collection, I love that sleeve. Ah, happy birthday! Oh, awesome. Do you guys see all these? I love Moyu London plates. And you guys hear Nina. She's gonna try to jump up, but I won't let her. Alright, some lace plates. Lace plates are always good. Everybody can use lace plates. And these are called Nina. Oh, no, this is their girl. That's right. Their character is Nina. So that's this. Okay. So there these are, and I'll test these out in a minute. And now let's see what is in my Manny box. This is all so well packaged. I am really impressed. I'm going to show you guys my manicures in my next video, don't worry. Alright. One more little snip. It's like a project. Lovely. What does this say? Is this May? Oh! Enjoy using these stamping polishes to make awesome gradient nails. Happy stamping. I love these little notes. All right. So we have another colored bag. I'm not going to bother with these. This is how I do these. I know I cheat. And I do love gradients. It's one of the things I like to do best. In fact, people used to joke that I did a gradient for literally every other mani because they could tell I was trying not to do it all the time. So I have paused a bit since then. But given my druthers, I would probably always rather do a gradient. It just looks so nice. That's all I'm saying. I love the colors here. These are bright, very spring. Very spring. All right, so let's see what, oh, there's more tape. Of course there is. Everything is so well packaged. You can see, I'm done. I got impatient, guys. Ooh, apricot sour. You know I'm going to be using these right away because it's my friend Michelle's Hit the Bottle. Oh, lemon meringue fizz. We got some from the Pastels collection. These are actually, I know that they're cheap, various places where you do buy them. But you can get them on our US distributor sites too, and they really are good gradient makers. I am one of the people who use foundation wedges. Those work for me, but they don't work for everybody. So if those foundation wedges don't work for you, get a bunch of these, and I bet these will work, because the more porous sponge does seem to be easier for people to do gradients with. All right, and Bubblegum Bliss. This is great. This is a really nice box. I like these curated boxes. Oh, hipster, hipster, hipster. This is one of my favorite lines by them. So let's see. Hipster. Oh my gosh, I got Hipster 22. That is literally in my cart on Beautometry.com. That is so awesome. Oh, how exciting. Am I gonna make a mani? Boy, am I gonna make a mani. Oh, these must have been for the month of Easter. These are lovely. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, these are beautiful. You guys see those stamps? It's Festive Collection number 60. So I'm pretty sure I got the contents of two different My Mani boxes here. So I got Hipster 60 and, Hipster 22 and Festive 60. And I got, let's see, Lace 06 and Festive 1, which is the birthday one. So I really like these boxes. I like that there's definitely everything you need here to, you know, make a kind of a themed manicure without being limited in any way. So that's great. I mean, I'm clearly not limited here. So, and these three came with this one. Let me get the, all right. I think that's just the right size little curated box. And these plates retail at 10 each. So if you like to get like little brainstorming kits in the mail, I mean, this is essentially what that is, right? It's a really great idea to do something like that for people. So clearly these would make a great gradient. So that could be why they put those in there together. Those would make a fabulous gradient. So I am going to try this out. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I am sensitive to lots of different soaps, so we'll see if that works out. But it's handmade, right? So we'll see. And this Artist Nails brand looks pretty awesome. I told you guys I was going to top coat that for you. So let's look at my little haul here. Put out here. And then let me get that top coated for you. And we'll sign off to tell you what I'm going to do with these two My Mani boxes. There we go. Can you guys see? There we go. That's a better angle. Pretty. It's pretty. All right, guys. Well, this is the end of the haul bit, and I'll throw together some manis for each box and put them up separately. So I'll put up some suggestions for the April box and for the May box. If you guys email me or message me on any of my videos, if you guys are getting the My Mani box and you want some ideas from me, don't hesitate to take a picture of what you've got and let me know. I think this is it for what I'm going to be getting from them, but we'll see. If I get anything in the future, then I'll share my ideas with you when I get the shipment. And I'll have some mayonnaise already made up for you so that you guys can see what my ideas are, and hope that helps you. So thank you for being with me today. I hope you like my little haul here. These boxes look great. I think they are something that people who like membership boxes, those are really popular right now. I think they are a good thing to do. It sounds like a lot of fun to me. So you guys, I will see you later. I'm going to play with this stuff now. I want you guys to go away. I want to get messy. So I will see you. I have a couple of plates that I'm reviewing for you later today. And you guys have a fabulous day, because I know I will. Bye-bye. Whoops, wrong way. Let's do this, and then let's say goodbye. Actually, we'll tell you to subscribe, like, comment, and ask me any questions that you have. There we go. And subscribing really does help me out, so that would be great. Bye-o.